Hi, 你好, welcome to lesson 14. In this video, I will explain two finals, O and ong. For the first one, O, we start with the first alphabet, O, we have learned previously. Then slowly close your mouth. Bring the tip of your tongue up. So say O. During this process, your mouth becomes small and small. This pronounce is very similar to oat. O. Next one, ong. So this is a nasal final. When you want to pronounce this, again you start with O. Then the end of your tongue go backward and bring to the bottom of the mouth. Bring the surface of your tongue a little bit up. Slowly close your mouth. Say ong, ong. Let the air flow through your nose. Ong. It sounds similar like ong. Ong. Here, O can combine with bo, po, mo, fo, de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, and ong can only combine with de, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he. When O combine with bo, we don't write bo in front of it. Because of that, I put a bracket in here. Please remember, both of these finals cannot combine with ji, qi, and xi we have learned in last video. Let's try from po, o, po, 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 de, o, do, 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 ge, o, go, 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 go. Let's try combination of de and ong. De, ong, dong, 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 dong. Ge, ong, gong, 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 gong. I pick up a few important characters for you to learn. The first one is head. Te, o, tou, head. So the way it's written is first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. It's not hard to learn. You can practice at home. Second one is ge, o, go. The fourth time means enough, sufficient. And you can see this is a very typical left and right structure. So it has two parts. Ge, o, go. Next one is he, o, ho. Again, fourth tone. It means rear, back, behind, or after. Let's see the way it's written. First, second, okay. So this is ho, behind, after. And the next one, you have seen this in the first one, ho. It's ke, o, kou, means mouth. You see, some of the Chinese characters are very similar to the how it really look like. For example, kou is very similar to the mouth, the shape of mouth. It has 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. You will see frequently this kou being part of some characters, means something related to the mouth or related to the door, the gate. Next one is the direction. Dong, de-ong, dong means east. We have learned west. That one is xi in last video. Here means east. Dong. Next one is le-ong, long, second tongue, means dragon or dinosaur. In China, this is a typical Chinese dragon, but we also call dinosaur 恐龙, means scary dragon. In Chinese culture, dragon means power and lucky. In the New Year or some specific festival, we always make this kind of play with the dragon, like a performance. So we put a scary in front of dragon to say dinosaur, 恐龙. Next one, 和ong,空. Kong means empty, nothing. It can be the box is empty, or cinema is empty, or even your stomach is empty. So we use kong for this meaning. And the next one is red. So和ong, hong, second tongue, means red color. Chinese believe red is a good color, means good luck and celebration. So you will often see this color in the Chinese ceremony like wedding, birthday, or some very important place to show it's warm. We have learned the green, white, and now we learned red. So green is 绿, white, 白, red, 红. We also learned blue, 蓝. This is the series of color. We will learn more in the future. Alright, this is all the content I'm providing you in this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.